Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see scrollable text demo. This is scrollable text demo. Okay, so how you can scroll the text inside your container. So let's start with our app. In our container I'll take our children's, so we'll align it in the center. So I'll use main axis alignment and I'll give it a main axis alignment dot center. Okay, so now what I can do is let's take a center, and as a child I'll take a text, and let's just say this is a scrollable text. Okay, so and we'll give it a length of 10. So as you can see, now we have a text in our app. Let's give it a style of text style, and we'll increase its font size, let's say by 30. And now what we can do is let's just give it a main max lines, which is 1. Okay, so as you can see, now we have one line but our full text is not visible. So we can use a scrollable text to view our text. So we can wrap our center with a widget called single child scroll view. Okay, so, and for the axis direction or scroll direction, we can give it axis dot to vertical or horizontal. Now let's just save our app. So as you can see, now we have a horizontal text which is scrollable, and we can see this full text in our app. Let's just modify it using our container, and for the decoration we can use our box decoration. Let's give it a border of borders dot all, and let's give it a colors dot black. Let's just save our app. Okay, so what we can do is we can also add a padding to our container. Let's add using age inserts dot all, and let's give it a value of 10. Okay, so now I'll simply add cons to remove these blue lines. Okay, so now let's just save our app. Okay, so this is our first example where our text is scrollable horizontally. So let's just see another example. So I'll take a sized box. For the spacing I'll give it a height of, let's say, 20. I'll add const, and for the next example we'll again take a container, and this is a container, and inside the container we'll again take the center as before. Let's take a center, and as a child we'll take a text, and this text will also be the scrollable text. So let's just say this is a scrollable text. Okay, so we'll give it a styling of something. Let's say we have a length of 10, style text style of text style, and we can give it a font size of, let's say, 20, and we'll add padding to it. Before what we can do is let's just copy it from our previous example. Okay, so let's just paste and let's just save our app. So here we have our container with a fixed height, or let's just say it's not a fixed height. What we can do is we can give it a fixed height of, let's say, a height of, let's say, 100. Okay, so let's just save our app, and now we can do is, as you can see, we have a bigger text with a fixed height container, but we cannot see it. So we can also make this text scrollable using the same, as we can wrap it with a widget called, let's just wrap it first. Okay, so we'll wrap it with a single child scroll view widget as before. So let's wrap it single child scroll view, and by default it has an axis of vertical. So as you can see, we have a vertical scrolling text inside our container. Let's just increase the height of our container a little bit. So what we can do is we can simply increase the height of, let's say, 150. Okay, so now you can see we have a visible container with the vertical. You can also give it a axis using scroll direction, axis dot vertical. So this is how you can use single child scroll view in Flutter. So see you in the next video.